I didn't grow up with this story, but I'm gonna still put in my 2 cents. Okay? Okay. Alright. So let me just give my opinion here. Mass hysteria actually works. Okay? And if you really think about it, it really works in the aspect of people are always ready to go crazy, always ready to let loose. So what if, I don't know, I know y'all gonna call me crazy for this, but check this out. What if we actually use it to change the world for the better? Yo, keep this. In an instant, we are so ready to participate in chaos in any manner, right? But in the same aspect, when we're told to wait or it takes time, if we are so ready to participate and be agents of chaos or agents of that, why can't we do that same thing with being agents of change? Let us all collectively do our part to bring about peace to the world. That's all I want.